What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I trim my ends, how I trim my hair. So I'm really starting on freshly washed hair, already deep conditioned, did all the good stuff. Really just following kind of like the same method I did in my previous twist out video, if you guys want to watch that. I haven't gotten a trim in quite some time. It's been at least 3 or 4 months since the last time I've gotten a trim. And I don't think my ends look too terrible, but I do notice when I'm doing my hair sometimes that the ends, they feel a little raggedy, or they don't really smooth how they should. So I'm just going to do a very light dusting trim today. So what I'm starting with is the Curl Enhancing Smoothie, and then on top I'm just going to apply some Eco Style gel, and I'm going to spread it, like smooth it down the ends of my hair. Then we're going to do our same twisting method. You can either do it with the braid at the top or just regular twist. So what we're going to do is finger coil about the last 20 to 15% of our ends. And what I do from here is I stretch the twist all the way down. I've stretched it down with my finger. And I really just cutting like a fingertips length of hair. So spread your finger, bring your finger all the way down to the end of your hair until the end of your hair is right at the bottom of your fingertip, and cut right above your fingertip. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch to see what I'm doing. I hope that makes sense. I'm doing this for every single section of my hair and for every single twist. As you see, finger coil it to the bottom. Then I'm going to stretch it all the way down with my finger and then cut right above my fingertip. I probably could have cut more, but I just didn't feel like I needed to cut too much for my ends because most of them weren't really bad. This is just a way to touch up your ends yourself every couple weeks if you're not able to get into a salon. So as you can see, the ends are looking healthy, they're looking juicy, looking like it's going to be a good twist out. And here you can see this is the total amount of hair that I cut off. So it's not an extreme amount, it's just a little bit, just kind of trimming, dusting the ends. And boom, here we are with the twists are taking out. The ends are looking good. I love the twist out. Let me know if you guys have any questions about this method. I hope that it was pretty, straightforward. So let me know in the comments if you've ever tried this method before or if you're thinking about trying it now. I thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.